Okay, we're looking at multiplying a fraction to a whole number. And I have another similar question that you just looked at previously from the other YouTube video. This one says, John feeds his dog 3/4 cup of food a day. How many cups of food does his dog get each week? So if we were to draw a model of this, if you drew a cup of food, got to set up my pen here. If you drew a cup of food, 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups, 5 cups, 6 cups, 7 cups. And I knew there were 7 cups because the question was each week. And if you have all those cups divided into fourths, you're drawing this out so you can see it. And it says John feeds his dog 3/4 cup of food each day. So obviously you'd be shading in 1, 2, 3, and there's 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 3/4. 1, 2, 3 out of 4, 3/4. 1, 2, 3 out of 4, 3/4. Right? Well, we know that we could visually look at this and we could see that if we added this other one of these 1/4 here to this one, we'd have a full cup, wouldn't we? And we could manipulate this picture here and figure out the answer. We could actually turn this into an addition problem, and we could add all these together. We have common denominators, and we could add it all together. We know 7 times is 21/4. And we could then do a simple division problem. 21 divided by 4 is, well, let's see, 4 goes into 20. 4 times 5 is 20, right? So this would be 5, and with 1 left over, 4th, right? 5 and 1/4. So we can get the answer through addition, but we could also multiply. We could do the simple equation 3/4 times 7. And 7 is the same as saying 7/1. If we turn that whole number into a fraction, 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 1 is 4. And just like we had over there, there it is. 21 divided by 4 is 5 wholes. 4 times 5 is 20, with 1 left over, that's a remainder, over 4, because we're working in fourths. 5 and 1/4. So then what if the question said, well, how much would the dog eat in a month? Then you'd take your 5 and 1/4 and multiply it to what? That's right, a month is 4 weeks, so you go 4/1. And you know this 5/4 is the same as 21/4, so I'd just rewrite it that way. 21/4 times 4/1. And we know 21 times 4 is 84, and 4 times 1 is 4. And then how many times does 4 go into 84? Right? That would tell you how many cups, we're looking for cups of dog food. So 4 goes into 84, how many times? 21 cups. So you'd have 21 full cups of dog food. All right, so you guys practice. I gave you some problems for an assignment. Show your work. Write it out. Okay, do a good job. Ask me if you have any questions. Take care. Bye.